Next, let us look at Maxterms. Similar to how minterms are applicable only for canonical SOP, Maxterms are only applicable to canonical POS. Of ABC equals A plus B plus C and A plus B prime plus C prime and A plus B prime plus C. We know that this is in the canonical POS form. So each of these terms here are known as the max terms. Okay, so the best way to identify a max term is we have the combination ABC, we have F, see, if you remember, in minterms, we looked at the situation where the function came out to be 1. Max terms are applicable for the function to be 0. So if this function comes out to be 0, that is, if either one of these terms are a 0, so if this is a 0, then the whole function goes 0. If this is a 0, the whole function goes 0. Or if this is a 0, then the whole function goes 0. So your f is a 0 when a, b, and c are zeros. Similarly, if a is a 0, b is a 1, and c is a 1, then this term is a 0. Similarly, when a is 0, b is 1, and c is 0, then we have the function to be a 0. So that's a0, b1, and c0. And for the rest of the combinations, your function is going to be a 1. This is known as max term 0, max term 1, max term 2, max term 3, max term 4, max term 5, max term 6, and max term 7. This corresponds to A or B or C. This corresponds to A or B or C prime. This corresponds to A or B prime or C, A or B prime or C prime, A prime or B or C, A prime or B or C prime, A prime or B prime or C, and this is A prime or B prime or C prime. Right, so this combination is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and so on. So for minterms, we look at the ones, and for max terms, we look at the zeros. So this equation in max term form can be written as f of ABC equals max term 0 and max term 2 and max term 3. This can be written as pi of max terms 0, 2, 3. This is also equivalent to sigma minterms, the rest of the combinations. So you have 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is a concept of SOP, POS, max term, and minterm.